So my name's Tabacco and I'm a project manager for SG Formwork. So we specialise in high-rise structures. So the biggest issue for us was that obviously with text messages and emails, and we had a web-based Excel spreadsheet. It was fine, you know, at the start, but then as we got bigger, obviously when you got so many men moving around, it'd get to the point where you're tracking as best you can, but then we'd get to payroll day and then we'd get emails from our payroll staff, whether being cherry, that we'd have gaps. And then the problem with gaps is that you try to go back and fill gaps, but you're not always sure about what gaps you're filling. And for us, obviously, people don't really translate that labour equals cost equals money. So people look at it, the way I look at it is, you know, you have to think that it's a time sheet, but that's dollars and cents that we're paying out. The Neo Intelligence was a system that was most suited to construction. It pretty much catered for what we needed, and then you guys were obviously on board to develop further with us so you could custom to our needs. So basically, I'll assign all the jobs at the start of a week. So I'm the master admin. All the foremen will then go through and enter in all our employees' allocated times, and then our project managers will approve. And obviously, if you have to make any changes, it's at the click of a button. So I can drag and drop or create new jobs, and it's efficient.
So I'm Cherry. I'm the payroll officer of Crema Group, and right now I'm doing 8 companies. Before Neo, 2 of us are doing SG Formwork, so half of the employees each. We process it for 1 day before Neo. I'm doing it all by myself for 233 employees, and I'm processing it for around 3 hours. Yeah, it's almost 1 day time saving and 1 person.
I was surprised about how a lot of our staff, particularly site managers, how quickly they picked it up. Obviously, we've got a few who are reluctant within the technology space, and for an example, our concrete foreman would barely use a phone and not even an iPad, and he's probably the best one now. Like every night I check, times are logged in. It's just like, that's what I was surprised about, how quick our staff got on board with it, and obviously they're very happy with it now, and finding also that there's a lot less errors.